Yo, what's up guys? So it is Labor Day Monday. So I'm a little off on uploading these videos because I was going to upload one earlier. I forgot to do it, so I'm probably going to upload both of these like tomorrow, so the dates and stuff are going to be a little off. But anyway, so I just got off work, obviously. And then the M1 is outside the door. Because I have to load some stuff up, like this block, maybe this water pipe, these cams, pistons, right here. I'll show you guys all that, and we'll go over what I'll have for the build as soon as I get all that stuff loaded up. Because tomorrow morning, I'm going to wake up early, and then I got a 4-hour drive to drop this stuff off, pay, discuss build plans, and then it's on to having the turbo B16 built. So, just the bottom end, the head, I'll show you guys in a minute. But, yeah, things are about to get rad with the car. So that was a little worse than I thought it was going to be, but it's in there. Yeah, obviously it scuffed a little bit, which I was pretty careful to make sure not to hit that too much. So, and I went in and took that plastic cover off too. I do have that just to make sure it didn't get hit. So, strap here, running over. So that seems like it's going to work out alright, hopefully. I'm going to be taking it easy on the drive. So I also got to load up the pistons, which will be inside the car. For anyone wanting some specs on those, 81.5 millimeters, 20 over. They are 10.5 to 1 compression. They will be clearanced for a turbo setup. And then I'll also be taking ACL race version bearings along with the B16A headset kit with Skunk 2 connecting series rods. No need to send a water pump really. And then I have a set of B16 cams and a set of Skunk 2 Pro 1s. Run them, I will. If not, I would like to probably trade them in on some kind of other parts that I can use toward my build, or see if he has any like Type R cams or GSR cams, something a little better laying around, and just trade them those Pro 1s since I bought them used anyways. But I don't know, we'll see. If not, no big deal. If so, awesome. So I didn't want to like record too much once I got there, but I did go ahead and we discussed the motor things. Once I get final details, I'll let you know. So I may not be using the pistons that I sent up there. The cams may be traded. It's debatable still. Went ahead and paid most of it all down. Decided to go ahead and put a block guard in it too. So I mean, once it's time to go pick it up, everything will be taken care of. Like I said, I don't want to just walk in there with the camera, start recording, and start negotiating deals and all of that. So I was going to record working on the hatch, but I didn't feel like that was really fitting for the video or whatever, you know. So what I ended up deciding to do was just leave it at where it's at. So the next video, I'll show you the new parts I got coming in and everything. So basically the motor's sent off, it's getting built, and we have a lot more, so I'll show you what I have coming in. And then the next video after I show you what parts I have coming in will probably be more on the hatch for sure, because I have coilovers coming in for that. You'll see which ones when they get here. So hope you enjoyed this update. Hopefully you're excited enough to stay tuned. Be sure to drop a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.